pa seveda na ta način zaščitili tudi naše zaposlene, ki so srce kliničnega centra. Zato res iskrena hvala tudi državne Amerike za to neizkušno donacijo.
Bring back good memories for me of how exhausting but also deeply rewarding it is to serve those in need. Should continue to thank them for the work they've been doing in the U.S. and here in Slovenia. It is critical that we work together. Hvala lepa.
Kar je morda bilo najbolj izrazito epidemije COVID-a v Sloveniji, je bilo to, da smo pravzaprav od samega začetka imeli dobro testiranje, pravilne teste, to hitro organizacijo naše primarne ravni zdravstva.
The device is designed to be easily integrated into existing hospital disinfection processes. They can easily bring it in, start it, put the tablet into their pocket and go work in the next room. So the effective time addition to their workload is around a minute or two, which is feasible when you take into consideration the regular use of such devices. We'll get a little bit bright right now, don't worry, it's completely safe. Regular introduction of regular use of such devices was shown by clinical studies to reduce the overall infection by 30%. And this is spectacular because we're talking namely about, or most of all about, antibiotic resistant infections. Okay, thank you again.